Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be sad about the story. My name is Miss Sarapi. The story name is Cat and Mouse. Once upon a time, there were a cat and mouse living in the same house. The cat always found to crawl and eat the mouse, but the clever mouse was too smart to be crossed. Another one day the cat was very hungry and said to the mouse, "Little mouse, I promise not to eat you. Please help me get food from the torture." And smart mouse smiled and realized. The last was, "Dear cat, if you are throwing houses, don't climb from below them." The cat got angry but realized. Too much was clever, no matter how hard its claws never catch the little mouse. This is the end of my story, Cat and Mouse. Moral of the story, intelligence can outsmart the train. Thank you for listening my story.